How to fix Snapchat story not uploading. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Snapchat story is not uploading. To fix it, you can start checking your internet connection. So just go ahead and swipe down on your notification panel. Tap on the uh, Wi-Fi button, switch it off, and turn on your mobile data. And if you are on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and see if that works. If that doesn't help and if it still fails, you can force close Snapchat completely and reopen it again. You can do that by long pressing on Snapchat and then tap on the I button right besides it. Go to App Info, and from your App Info, you can find the force stop option at the bottom right. Tap on it and then tap on OK. What it's gonna do is just completely stop its background activity. After doing that, you need to make sure that all of the permissions are allowed on Snapchat. Go to permissions and then make sure all of these are allowed. Go back. Now this time all you have to do is clear cache. So go over to storage and from here tap on clear cache at the bottom right. If you want, you can also try to clear data. And finally, you can also check which version of Snapchat you have. If you don't have the latest version, go over to Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom and simply search for Snapchat. Hit enter. If you see an update button just like this one, instead of open, you can just tap on this update and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.